Hi everyone, I'm Mark with Headhunter, and I'm here today at our Fort Lauderdale facility where we're finishing up a factory acceptance test on a new sewage treatment plant for the United States Navy. This is a Tidal Wave HMX 8205, capable of treating 15,000 gallons per day when used in conjunction with the ship's holding tank. It includes sewage transfer pump and seawater pump behind me, the electrical control panel in a NEMA 4X 316 stainless steel electrical cabinet. Has all the automation on the inside and a color touchscreen user interface on the outside. The system has a blower and an airflow switch. Pushes air into the treatment chamber to mitigate any hazardous vapors that are created during the treatment process. 2 macerator pumps propelling wastewater over 2 stainless steel cross-flow filters inside the sewage treatment system. 6 solenoid valves that are used to control the flow of seawater through the electrolytic cells, also used for the backwash of the cross-flow filters and the motive water and the eductors inside the sewage treatment plant. The treatment system has, as I said, 2 macerator pumps, polypropylene construction with 316 stainless steel impellers. 6 solenoid valves controlling the flow of seawater. 8 electrolytic cells that are used for the generation of sodium hypochlorite that's used in the treatment process. These are low power cells that draw about 200 watts each, and they produce about 5 gallons of laundry strength equivalent chlorine per day. And all that's used in the breakpoint chlorination process for treating the wastewater. At the end of the process, we have a heavy duty bronze discharge pump with 316 stainless steel impeller. It takes the clean water through our polishing filters, which are fiberglass filter housings with a granular activated carbon inside before it's finally discharged. This treatment system will be delivered to Austal Shipyard in Mobile, Alabama next week, where it will be installed on the U.S. Navy ship CODY. It's the 14th vessel in the Spearhead class EPF. That's a high-speed transport vessel. And this particular one is unique. It's going to be a hospital ship, so very specialized operation. Thank you for watching. Please go to headhunterinc.com for more information.